Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Fun Tech. I think that you all might have been thinking that why I have not uploaded any videos from a long time. So it was just because our channel received a copyright strike from YouTube. I don't know why. I tried to remove it but I was unsuccessful. But now I will be constantly uploading a lot of videos. This series is about GIMP. So this series will be containing three videos. This video is for installation, second will be of basic features, and third video will be of advanced features. So let's start installing. The software will be given as a link in your description box. You just need to install it and put it into your desktop. After that you have to right click on it and run as administrator. This kind of dialog box will appear. Now you have to click on yes. You can install it for one user or multiple users. Here I will be installing for multiple users. For that I have to install for myself and my brother, but you can install for one person also. The procedure is similar. You have to select your language, click on OK. A very interactive installation and interface will appear. Click on install. It will start extracting the files. Please subscribe to my channel. I see that many people view my videos. I have got even 50 watch hours, but no one subscribes to my channel. This time I will be uploading video only when I receive 50 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and forward the videos to other people. Also, please don't forget to like this video. A special thanks also goes to my friends who have requested me to make this video. Let's wait for a few seconds more. I had promised you all that I will be uploading one video regarding the Windows 11 troubleshooting options, but my Windows 11 system is not working fine. That's why I am unable to upload that video. You have to need some patience for that. Sorry. After a GIMP series, there will be a basic series for HTML5, and that thing will be very important and useful for many people. It's getting completed soon. Might be my English is not very fine nowadays. I am forgetting many things nowadays, and this is because of my illness. Sorry, but after a few days you will be receiving a fluent video. Let's see. The software which we have installed just now has no need of any license. It is a freeware software. I will now be showing its interface to you, and this video will end there. But in our next video I will also be showing how to do some basic and advanced editing. Comment down if you face any queries or issues while downloading GIMP. I will be surely helping you out for that. So here comes our GIMP window. Here are some tools: gradients, layer panel, and the menu box. It is very similar to Adobe Photoshop, isn't it? So here ends our video. We will be continuing after this in our next video.